Solid. Man, if that was just a little longer, that would have been a really epic burp. Nice and deep. Snowing in Texas currently. That was pretty good. That's some good bass at the end. Dude. Dude, I have like a chain of just great burps. This is great. Oh my god. A plus. That was solid. 109.3. Okay, I'm not at full power, so I can't complain about that. That's some force. 113. Dude. Fuck. 107.9 on a burp I was straining on, so that's not bad. Okay, that has to be a misread because y'all know that was louder than 100, than 82. There's no way. 112.8. I'm so close. I'm so close. Okay. 113.1. I have to be close to breaking my personal record. I have to be. Oh my god, 114.5. 0.2 off. We're getting there. We're getting there. $113.4. Man, I'm consistently being loud, but I'm not getting louder. I can feel that in my nostrils. Oh my god. these are good or not. I haven't done this in a very long time. Jesus. Sound like a whale. That was pretty good. Sorry if these aren't considered good. I'll try my best here. Let me think. Figuring this out is not the easiest. I hope those closed mouth burps were good. If they weren't optimal to y'all, I'm more than open to some feedback.